Traffic stop.
Hi, my little brother is having a manic episode. He is trying to stab me with a knife. I don't know where he is. We're at 1277 Spring Creek Drive. He's somewhere in the line, and I don't know where he is. I think 1277. I'm so sorry, I don't know off the top of my head.
You want to call it a reckless or DUI if they take off?
He's been swerving.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to get away from it.
Oh, stop.
Okay, that's why you keep moving so much. So I'm not.
It's like a light cut. I'm not that bad. I really need to get away.
Okay. He did stab you with a knife, though?
Get the car!
He has cut me and put it up to my neck and shit like that. I had to stop him from stabbing me. I only got cut a little bit on my hand from stopping that.
Northbound Broadway from Rosecrans. They hit us with, dude. Hey! No, go.
He has been apparently, I took away ether or something.
I don't know.
He's like cupping something. I don't know.
Do you know where they went?
No.
Do you know where they went?
I have it in a bag.
We're stopping.
Part of the apartment.
Adam 44. We're on Broadway and 135th Street.
I am so sorry. I'm really freaked out right now.
No, it's fine. I'm just trying to get where you are. That's it.
Okay.
I hope you're over on Spring Creek Drive, is that right?
Yeah, it's like an apartment complex in Bellevue, Tennessee.
Street, alright.
Hey, stay with the car.
Northbound Broadway from 135th.
Hey, what is it, 1276? This one right here.
He's been swerving. Oh, stop.
Go. Get the car! Adam 44 on Broadway, north of Rosecrans. Hey, this guy's not stopping. Keep an eye out, make sure he's not.
He's at 44, Broadway, north of Rosecrans. 8145, Phil Castle.
Do you want to call it a reckless or DUI if they take off?
145, right?
Yep. And I got it. Yeah. You got it?
Oh, stop.
Metro Police! Go! Shots fired. Officer needs help. Get the car!
21 Charles, 20 boy. Can you reconfirm the apartment number?
Go! We're gonna be northbound. Northbound Broadway from Rosecrans. Hey! No, go! Dude, go!
What was that?
I don't know. Chuck, do you know where they went?
No.
Do you know where they went? No, stop. We're stopping.
Maybe up above one.
Adam 44. We're on Broadway and 135 Street. We took shots fired. The car is last northbound on Broadway at 135 Street.